As the country battles an unprecedented agrarian crisis, in our special series tonight, when a petition urging state governments to take emergency measures for drought-affected areas came up in the Supreme Court a few days ago, the states assured the court that the midday meal scheme was providing major relief to those affected. But when NDTV visited the Bundelkhand district, we found this just wasn't true.
The school bell is a cruel reminder for these children for the past month. It's lunchtime, but there's no meal in school. No milk on Wednesday, no dal chawal even. In this season of drought and tough times for families struggling with no harvest, it's yet another betrayal.
और हम लोगों को वो तहरी अच्छी लगती थी और दाल चावल और रोटी सब्जी हम खाना बनवाना चाहते हैं.
The situation is similar in several schools in Lalitpur district, and the schools don't really know why. First, they cut ration to half in November, and towards January, it stopped altogether.
क्योंकि यहाँ खाद्यान्न ही नहीं है तो हम क्या करें इसमें? अगर खाद्यान्न होता तो हम बनवाते यहाँ पर. जब ऊपर से ही नहीं आ रहा तो हम इसमें क्या कर सकते हैं?
In an area where many of the children would only be eating nutritious and expensive items like dal in school, since food security or PDS only gives rice or wheat, the midday meal means everything.
खाना बंद हो जाने से बच्चा घर पर रोते हैं, मम्मी खाना नहीं मिलता है मेरे लिए, खाना बनाओ. सवेरे नहीं बना पाते.
A direct impact of stopping midday meals in this school has been the falling attendance. Out of a school of about 150 children in primary classes, at least 50 have stopped coming to school in the past month because it seems that they didn't have any incentive. Teachers say some of them may have moved with their parents who used to be farmers, but now because of the drought, they're just looking for labor. Even the older children in this school in Rajavan are crying out for hot meals in a long school day from 9 to 3.
घर जाते समय देर हो जाती है तो पढ़ाई भी हो गई जल्दी खाना खाने.
NDTV asked the local district magistrate and the commissioner who didn't respond, but the chief minister's office tweeted in response to say they will investigate. The message is loud and clear. In Rajavan, Sunitra Chaudhary with camera person Rajesh Gupta and Vinod Gautam for NDTV.
And the UP government has responded to that story, saying that the issue of the transition of ration from the old Pradhan to the new has caused this delinquency. The district administration has issued a notice.